Awesome. Sorry, I got a little late there.
You are always right. We can never say that you're wrong in anything. This entire show, I'm going to speak from this side of the screen. I'm on the right side of the screen because we have this wonderful guy who is always, how much ever I trouble him, how much ever we trouble him, this executive editor of CNN News 18 backed by the Reliance Group. Ladies and gentlemen, this guy is the rock star superstar of that channel. And now today, instead of making other people sing, we are going to get Anand Narsimhan to sing for you. Ladies and gentlemen, Anand Narsimhan. Welcome to I'm on Officials. Kuch to karo na, Anand. Thank you for spending time.
No, wonderful. Big shout out to you guys, and you guys are doing some phenomenal work. And that's a big shout out to all you guys. And you're taking the message of India, message of Bharat, and anything for Bharat. Yeah.
Anything for Bharat, anything for India, and therefore, Anand, this is why I wanted to get you on. But tell me, you started spreading positivity before we even thought of the idea. You started getting these singers on and making them sing and perform. Where did you get this wonderful idea from?
Well, see, I'll tell you, when this entire lockdown phase started, one thing which I was very clear about is that I don't want it to all about doom and gloom, because it was going to be something which you're in a situation, what you do in a situation like this, when you're facing a crisis, when you're facing a fight, you've got to keep the chin up, you've got to keep positive, and you've got to stay positive, and you've got to spread that message of positivity. अब वो लोगों के चेहरे पे स्माइल लाना बहुत उतना आसान नहीं है जब आसपास सब कुछ जो है ना सब लोगों को रुलाने वाली बात हो रही है. So for me, always music has been my go-to place. So whenever I have wanted inspiration, whenever I wanted solace, I've always turned to music. And everybody, prefers their own genre of music. I'm stuck between the 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s of Hindi film music, and between Kishore, Rafi, Manna Dey, and Pancham. So I'm in that zone. But I have always gone back because I get inspired by the writing, the moods, everything. So I said, चलो ठीक है, let's try an experiment. अगर मैं कुछ देर के लिए कुछ music कर देता हूँ तो क्या हो? Because I saw everybody do this on Instagram. I saw a lot of my friends get into music, on Facebook do music. I said, if it can happen there, why can't it happen on the channel? And then they said, you really want to risk prime time and with music करना है? I said, देखो भाई, लोग देखेंगे, लोग गुनगुनाएंगे, थोड़ा सा हंस देंगे, 10 मिनट ही सही, तो अच्छा है. So that's why we said, okay, let's try and strike the right note. So that's what it happened. That's how it happened.
I thought you'll tell them the real reason, Anand. I thought I called you up and I gave you the idea. What is this? Now I'm disappointed.
Well, those are secrets you are not supposed to reveal, but you've revealed them yourself. That's okay.
No, but this guy's an inspiration. This guy's really an inspiration. Quite honestly, when I saw all these guys come on your show, I said, why can't we do something like this on Instagram as well to make people smile and laugh? And quite honestly, through music. Because a lot of people are doing conversations, but very few people are doing it through music. And there's something that unites the world, and that is music.
Yes, it does. It does. And even you, everybody has their own thing. ना कभी-कभी कहीं ना कहीं अच्छा गुनगुना लेते हैं, नहीं गुनगुना लेते हैं, अच्छा बजा लेते हैं, नहीं बजा लेते हैं, लेकिन कुछ ना कुछ तो म्यूजिकल करते ही है ना. That is true. It is true, everyone. Yeah.
No, but what is the biggest upside to the pandemic? So basically, but before I move on to that question, you said that कई लोग अच्छा गुनगुना लेते, कई लोग इतना अच्छा नहीं करते. So basically, there are certain singers जो इतना अच्छा नहीं करते.
No, there are see those who claim to, there are those also who want to pose as singers, but they are not such good singers. There are those who are very, very humble, who are fantastic singers, but they try to play it down. So you got all those mixes, but they're all music lovers, you see.
And for anybody who doesn't watch his show, 8:30 p.m. on prime time almost, it's prime time, 8:30 p.m. The Right Stand on CNN IBN. 10% of the royalty that Anand gets now will be transferred to IMUN.
I wish I got royalty. These are tough times. Our show is a 1-hour show. We do only about 15 minutes of music between 8:35 and 8:55. That's when we do music. Other than that, we talk about all the fight across COVID. Like today, there are so many stories, Rishabh, that people who have gone beyond the call of duty just for humanity, who have done so much. I was speaking to a young boy, a young student actually. His name is Prijo. He's raised 8,25,000 rupees in Chennai. And for the last 37 days, he's fed more than 67,000 people, more than 2,900 strays. And he's done it around, and his friends have chipped in. And every day he spent 14 hours doing this. Now that is the spirit you want to celebrate. You want to talk about these stories. That's what we've been trying to do over the last about 40 odd days, right through this period of the lockdown. That's what we've tried to focus on. Focus on these people who actually stand for what India is, about giving. So why is the start of sab kuch?
You read my mind, yeah. My next question was, give me a story of positivity and hope. You gave me the story of positivity and hope, and why should positivity and hope, the numbers increase tenfold. So when you talk about this is the magic. This is the magic.
See, it's just one muscle, that takes for you to smile. And there are more that you waste when you frown. So why not use this and make the most of it? And the more you smile, you give people a reason to go on and fight on, do something more, and you always get a chance to pay it forward. And I'm sure you were in your multiple engagements across student bodies, you would have realized that when you make it fun, it just becomes easier to communicate. It just makes it easier to spread the message.
The best way to do it is make fun of yourself. So then it makes it even more exciting, especially for the people who are working with you. Because Abhi, we've got full right to laugh at him. So now we will comment all the stuff and we will laugh. But quite honestly,
please.
But no, they do that irrespective. They do that irrespective every show. So you'll see exactly in 5 minutes that all of them will be cracking very nice jokes as to how Rishabh is here today and why is it a black t-shirt and not a white one.
No, my point is that you always had long hair, so you didn't have, barber and salon issues. One of the biggest things people are waiting for along with alcohol shops is कि भैया नाई की दुकान कब खुलेगी, कब ये मेरा hair dresser खुलेगा, कब ये salon खुलेगा, थोड़ा सीधा हो जाऊंगा. But in houses, it's the spouses which have been giving, each other the haircuts and the trims and all of that. See, my trim and all happened courtesy my wife.
You're looking very sharp, but I had this bottle of alcohol in the house. So I don't drink the alcohol as much. So I had this bottle of alcohol and the shops in Bombay shut, yeah. So I went in my building, in my society, and I said, I have this one bottle of alcohol. You won't believe me. It fetched me more money than on a normal month my business would fetch me.
Ladies and gentlemen, breaking news, we've got an official bootlegger here. ये देखो अपनी bottle देखो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा में बेच रहा है, but you should have put it to better use. You know what? Did you see this alcohol hookah? There's this guy, it's gone viral, but this is what दिमाग and जुगाड़ है. हम लोग हिंदुस्तानी और भारतवासी ऐसे ही है जुगाड़ू. What he's done is, he said, take half a bottle of whiskey in a big jar, and just leave the alcohol, pure alcohol, neat whiskey, in for half the jar. Leave the half of the jar empty. Then he's put punched two holes on the top of the jar, and he's got a long straw. He's got a short straw and a long straw. So the long straw ends in one end and goes straight into the alcohol. The short straw is it's standing out from the other hole. So he blows in like a hookah. So he blows in as a hookah. So the air goes from the long straw into the alcohol, and all he gets in is the vapor. And then he says, this vapor goes into your lungs, into your trachea, and then he says, you breathe out with your nose. So what are you doing? You're disinfecting your nasal pipes and your food pipes, windpipes, your trachea. And he says, andar se aap, you're disinfecting yourself. Take 5 puffs every hour, no problem. And all you're taking in is about 3 drops of alcohol. I said, jugaad, बहुत जुगाड़, ये तो जियो. कहाँ लोग शराब पी रहे हैं? यहाँ तो बस उसको बस हुक्का लगा उसको.
This is only possible in one country. ये भारत में ही हो सकता है, इंडिया में ही हो सकता है.
True. Yes, one जुगाड़ हो गया. People are listening. Smart है ना? Dhruvi is also saying smart है.
Absolutely loving the humor. This is the purpose of this show, not to make it too heavy. But let me ask you, your life must be yet the same, no? Are you working more hours now? Are you working overtime because of the pandemic?
Frankly, we are. It's not that we are overtime. It's just that you're thinking more, you're doing more, and ये जो work from home वाला concept है, इसमें आप लोग you actually end up putting more man hours and more time in terms of working. Now, if I show you around कि मेरा कैसा जुगाड़ है, देखो, ये जो कोई set wet नहीं, this is no studio where I'm sitting. This is just my own room का एक कोना है. This is just one seat. ये देखो light white लगी है, ऐसा है. This is this phone in front of you. That's my camera. So once it goes on, and then you have the frame that you see. This will be the frame which is on air, and this is how it is. So we're sitting in one corner of my house and doing these shows day in and day out. I was in Mumbai for about 40 days.
Where is the
There's no prompter. So you work without the teleprompter. So I do my shows without the prompter. You do the shows without the prompt. That's always about it. This teaches you a lot of things, and because you are into the news right through the day, so you know most of it. I have a laptop here, jahan thoda bahut information comes through. My research team sends everything, so you look at all of those numbers and then you use them. But yeah, hours have been longer. But a lot of people have realized that work from home can actually not just reduce your cost, but it can have the same levels of productivity. I was talking to somebody in the insurance sector. They said, "यार, banking sector में बात कर रहा था." बोले, यार, हमको तो पता ही नहीं था। 40% से ज्यादा हम लोग जो ऑफिस में रोज उनको ड्यूटी साइन कराते थे, वो घर पे बैठ कर और ज्यादा काम कर रहे हैं। मेरा तो ओवरहेड्स कम हो जाएगा, मेरा कैपिटल कॉस्ट कम हो जाएगा, ये सब मेरे जो फिक्स्ड ओवरहेड्स है वो कम हो जाएंगे, ये सब तो मेरे को ठीक करता है। I said, वाह। He said, I don't need to sack people. I just need to, I can just work smartly. I think these are all learnings, you know.
I don't need to sack people. The pandemic has taught me that without sacking people also I can save money.
Yeah, that's true. Absolutely, you can. If somebody's asking me book suggestions, if you like your history, if you want to understand Subhash Chandra Bose in and out, read Conundrum by Anuj Bose, Chandrachud Ghosh and Anuj Dar. It's just fantastic. I just finished reading that. There is also the interpretation of the Upanishads by Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. It's a very, very heavy read, but it makes you understand how deep our culture is, and if you're into spiritualism, and how you would realize that 95% of our history, of our scriptures in Sanskrit, are actually spiritualism. It's not theology. It's not about religion. It's about spirituality. It's about science, and it is about metaphysics. If you were to understand that, and that's what was written about 3,000-4,000 years ago. So yes,
I in fact was going to ask you. See, this is the problem of an anchor. देखो ये मतलब before the question comes, the answer comes. So
यार किसी ने पूछा बुक सजेशंस, तो इन्होंने किताबें देख ली, तो मैंने बोल दिया भाई ये सब किताबें हैं, और भी हैं।
अच्छी बात, आपने बहुत ही अच्छी बात की। मेरा सवाल ये था कि जो हम लोग शो पे दूसरी चीज करते हैं, उसका नाम है, ये सेगमेंट का नाम है तुम भी करो ना। तो तुम भी करो ना, ठीक है। तुम भी करो ना में मेरा पहला सवाल जो था वो कौन सी पुस्तक बच्चों को पढ़नी चाहिए बिटवीन द एज ब्रैकेट 13 to 24, young people, what should they read? But now I've already given 2 recommendations. Give me one fiction based recommendation for young people to read. Fiction based
recommendation, I think The Alchemist, and of course Jonathan Livingston Seagull. These are 2 books which I think will go with me to my till the end of my days. That's how it is, because I've always drawn inspiration. Jonathan Livingston Seagull was amazing. It's just a patla book, but usko har baar padhoge na, you end up stopping at a different passage, and you understand a different meaning and a deeper meaning every time you read it. So it's like that. And agar thoda sa aur agar aap mein himmat hai, to read the interpretation of the Bhagavad Gita in whichever language you want, because that's the perfect book for all walks of life, even for marketing, if you want to be an MBA, if you want to be in business.
But talking about our scriptures for a second, because you are somebody well read, on these scriptures.
Not and as much, yeah, but
but such mein, like, honestly, my question to you is this thing that, Upanishads of the Bhagavad Gita and books which are written by, say, Chanakya, actually have so much real life, like say the Arthashastra. So these kind of, or for the matter, even Dharma Shastras that are written.
Correct.
These Shastras that are written have so much of applicability today. Example, I was talking to somebody and they told me saying that COVID-19 can be treated in 2 ways. One is the allopathy way, or Shushruta, and the medical way that, that is one school, and the second is Ayurveda. Now, fun enough, both these schools of thought both these schools of medicine come from India, come from Bharat.
Correct.
So, is that most of today's problems can be solved by studying India's past? What are your thoughts on that?
Not just studying India's past, just by understanding that the country or the land which gave us yoga is not exercise, yoga is science. Okay, if there is a saying which is 3,000 years old, now the Bhagavad Gita itself is dated to more than 5,000 years old. In Bhagavad Gita, there is a word called Bhugolam. Bhugol ka matlab kya hai? Is geography, no? But Bhugol is what? Dunya gol, na? Bhu is Bhumi is gol. So yeah, 5,000 saal pehle jinko pata tha that the earth is round and that there is a solar system. The birth and time of Ram, as per the almanac, is mentioned in Valmiki's Ramayana. Now, how did they know constellations and how did they know positions of stars if they didn't understand the concept of the universe? let's say in Sanskrit there is a very simple saying which says Akashat patitam toyam yata gacchati sagaram. That means it falls from the sky, the water that falls from the sky goes eventually to the Sagara. Now the philosophical meaning of it is that all paths, all roads, whatever you take, eventually goes into the ultimate energy, that is the Paramatman, or that is cosmic energy, of which we are all a part of. So it all binds us together. But in that also they've explained the concept of gravity, because they said Akashat patitam toyam. That means from the sky it falls down. So they understood the concept of gravity also. So I'm just saying that this is all there for us to realize. For us to read. Machine language finds its basis from Sanskrit. Sanskrit was never evolved as a written language. Sanskrit started as a spoken language. Why was it spoken? Because that's why you spoke in meters. Why? That's why it was scientific. So that when they spoke and explained to you, it was not by a written medium, it was by verbal instruction. And then the coding was in your brain in such a way कि एक बार याद हो गया तो life भर नहीं भूलो. It's the same like machine language. एक बार आपने program की कर दिया, it will not forget till the time you corrupt the program.
It's like swimming and cycling, but the problem is somehow swimming and cycling, after learning it, now it's become a problem. So now I don't swim or cycle.
Yeah.
So this is but Sanskrit, however, is something that you'll always remember. And like you rightly said, Sanskrit is the mother of all languages. Do you think, because there are a lot of young people watching this, do you think that it is important to study Sanskrit young? And do you think it's something that should be introduced in school curriculums?
See, I'll tell you what. If you learn one language, and if it is the offshoot of 40 languages, so imagine how easy it is for you to learn any other language. That's the simple point. And if you see, the Germans understood our text, they learned Sanskrit and they understood our text, and then they went ahead and patented everything that was part of Charaka Samhita. In terms of medicines, the Germans and the Americans, every single patent which has been taken internationally for every herb and root finds its origins in India or in this area which was erstwhile Bharatvarsh. And it has been patented abroad. Why? Because they decided to study those texts and we have forgotten them. There was this, it's been imprinted into us that understanding our own culture, speaking our own languages is actually down market. It's not. See, in our language is when social distancing was always practiced. It was turned out to be that you're practicing untouchability. It was not practicing untouchability. It was just saying when you say namaste, you just bow to the person or the soul or the cosmic energy on the other person, that I bow to you. What do the Japanese do? They bow. They don't shake hands. The Japanese Japan is currently in a state of emergency, but their emergency means everything is open. Nothing is coerced. But the total number of cases, there are 15,000. Total number of deaths are 541. Why? Because the Japanese by default follow social distancing. In India, it was forward social distancing, but then it was turned into a casteism thing. It was turned into everything else. But we decided to do namaste. We didn't go about hugging each other. We didn't go about shaking hands. We said we'll respect everybody's personal space. And this was all evolved over a period of time. It evolved over a period of time as human science and human interaction. Okay, let's go back to some of those days and study them. And adapt and adopt what works for us.
But now there is no choice. Now everybody has to say namaste only. So I used to be germophobic. So I used to stay away from people, and I used to always do namaste. Now I think everywhere I go, wherever I go, public is just folding their hands and saying namaste. So
correct.
Somehow
जब पहले हम करते थे तो हम लोग अनकूल थे, अनपढ़ थे. अब क्या है, सब कूल है, सब स्मार्ट है. देखो, it's like that. ठीक है.
But if you don't know where you're coming from, you won't know where you're going. This is something that I really believe in, and therefore I'm glad you mentioned on all of these points. Somebody called me Sheldon 2.0. Do you see Big Bang Theory? आपने देखा है? Anand,
of course देखा है back to back पूरा नहीं देखा, but I've seen a few seasons here and there, and I always wondered how could somebody manage with somebody like Sheldon. But then sometimes what he said काफी पत्ते की बातें और तथ्य की बातें कह जाता था. So it was like also
In fact, if mom and dad were seeing this, they would completely relate with you and say, we have managed a mini Sheldon, young Sheldon in our house. That was not the smart one. Sheldon was the smart one, so you can deal with him. This is a not so smart Sheldon who's in the house, and we're dealing with him.
So it says Sheldon meets Dennis the Menace, is it? Or a Sheldon meets the Pandit. I don't know which one, Rishabh, you choose.
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm Harry Potter. But tell me, what do you do on your downtime? Anand, what do you do in your downtime? How do you spend your downtime?
No, there is downtime, and downtime is spent with the kids. I have two kids. One is 4 years old, my daughter. She's the other one. My son is 2 years old, so I spend time with them. Then there's of course doing whatever little bit of help within the house is concerned. Then I read. मौका मिलता है, I read. नहीं मौका मिलता है, then I sing a bit, and then of course I like to stay fit, so I do a certain level of किसी दिन थोड़ा meditation कर लिया, किसी दिन थोड़ा exercise कर लिया, किसी दिन सूर्य नमस्कार कर लिया.
All the girls are feeling really bad, Anand. You said children. Some people didn't know you were married.
No. I think now they know. Now they know. Yeah. Somebody asked me how old are my kids. My kids are fine. They're young. The daughter is 4 and my son is 2. Rudhira is my daughter's name and Sahisht is my son's name.
And guy is married. And he's married. So the important thing is you guys married.
For a long time. I've been married for a long time. Yeah.
No, but you started in Xavier.
Please sing. ये ध्रुवी ये लोग कौन है? Who? आपको कैसे पता है? ये गाने की बात कहाँ से आ गई?
अरे गा लो ना. Everyone sings one song, Anand. Any two lines.
अच्छा 2 lines. Okay.
And all the singers.
You guys are inviting it upon yourself. ठीक है. जो भी है. Okay. फूलों के रंग से दिल की कलम से तुझको लिखी रोज पाती कैसे बताऊं किस तरह से पल पल मुझे तू सताती तेरे ही सपने लेकर के सोया तेरी ही यादों में जागा तेरे ख्यालों में उलझा रहा यूं जैसे कि माला में धागा हाँ बादल बिजली चंदन पानी जैसा अपना प्यार लेना होगा जन्म हमें कई बार.
Wow. This is great. I'm going to record this part and send it to Salim Merchant, Shan, everyone that you troubled.
they all sang, yeah. They were Shant was surprised. He said, "अरे तू भी गाता है?" I said, "नहीं आपके जितना नहीं गाता मैं थोड़ा बहुत गा लेता बस."
I'm going to say मैंने बदला लिया मैंने गवाया. But Anand, let me take you to the last part of what you do.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Is a quick rapid fire. It's a quick. Honestly, you need to answer.
Done. अरे अभी तक कहाँ झूठ बोला? सच्ची बोली.
आपके घर में because you are married, so I have to start with this. आपके घर में किसकी चलती है? आपकी चलती है, वाइफ की चलती है?
अरे this is a no-brainer, boss. Obviously. मैं चलता हूँ क्योंकि किसी और की चलती है. क्या बात कर रहे हो यार?
And I was checking whether we can blackmail you and take that clip and send it to your wife.
मैं चलता हूँ क्योंकि किसी और की चलती है. बिल्कुल सही है, उसमें कोई डाउट ही नहीं है.
The second thing I want to ask you is your favorite statesman / politician. Your favorite statesman
Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
One quality that you could borrow from Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, which you think you lack and he had. Sorry?
His ability to write poetry.
I thought his ability to write.
Write and poetry. Ability to write and poetry.
Okay. If not a news anchor, what would Anand Narasimhan be?
I would have been in advertising.
Your favorite Bollywood star? Because I've seen all those interviews with Shah Rukh and this one and that one, and so
my favorite Bollywood star, if you were to say, Amitabh Bachchan.
Very safe. Yeah. You're playing very safe. Atal
नहीं यार बच्चन ही है. नहीं यार सर बच्चन सर के आगे और कहाँ सब पानी का.
That is true. That is very true. My last question to you from me to you. And then there is one question from I am on to you. Okay. So there's this one last question that I need to ask you is that Anand, and this is a very important question. Please.
Yeah, sure.
Please. Why, Anand? Why are you so overdressed for a show with young boys and girls?
Well, you know what? I'm sitting because in 25 minutes from now, I have my own show. So once I finish this Insta live, I have to get into my own show. मैं क्या करूँ? मैं तुमको दिखा रहा हूँ कि मैं मेरी स्टूडियो से ही बैठा हूँ. ये देखो मैं क्या करूँ?
अरे नहीं. अरे you look very smart. मुझे बुरा लग रहा था उसके लिए मैंने पूछा that you're looking very suave with the shirt and the blazer and everything. But now the
blazer नहीं है यार, half jacket and just the shirt and shirt also black. It's Friday evening look. I thought it'll be a nice party, so I'll dress anyways.
No, it is, and it's been a nice party. Let me ask you the last question on behalf of everyone at IIM. Please know that all these 500 plus people who are watching you and also all the people who will see this video.
Sure.
It's very important to know this. It's not a funny question, a very serious question, because on answering this question, you will get 1 million Zimbabwean dollars into your bank account. If you answer correctly.
Got it. वो नहीं भी मिले तो भी चलता है, but फिर भी go ahead. क्या करवा 1 million Zimbabwe dollars का? उसमें
the question is, which is your favorite?
Lollipop मिलता है?
Lollipop.
1 million Zimbabwe dollars.
Mango bite भी मिलता है. Mango bite भी मिलेगा lollipop के साथ.
फिर चलेगा. चलो mango bite के लिए चलेगा. चलो बोलो पूछो.
Which is your favorite platform to address young people?
देखो चित भी तुम्हारी पट भी तुम्हारी. See, you don't need to ask me this question. I've said it to you right at the top of the show itself, right at the top of our interaction itself. I said, see, you guys are doing such a phenomenal, service and such phenomenal jobs. It's a no-brainer. Yeah, you guys are such a big platform yourself, and what you guys are doing is phenomenal.
See, we need that. We need that little snippet, right? We need the snippet, yeah, Baba.
So I gave you that snippet even before we said hello and welcome. I gave you that snippet even before you said hi.
At the start and at the end, in the middle, Atithi Deva Bhava.
No. Seriously, I tell you about the kind of work that you guys are doing. And Rishabh, I'm very serious when I say this, that we need to work more often. We need to do not just these engagements, but we need to engage more often, perhaps post the lockdown phases and when our interactions on ground start. We need to go out and talk a little more about our own country, our heritage, our culture, take this message forward. And of course, what we can contribute as the younger generation today, which is going to be the future tomorrow. What we can do to ensure that India gains the most out of this global pandemic and the situation that's going to arise post this. So on a serious note, I feel that you guys are the platform to do that, and we need to do more.
Anand, if I may leave you with a couple of thoughts, just one or two thoughts before we leave. One was that it is this letter that I'm writing to the Honorable Prime Minister with all young people, saying that the pandemic has allowed the environment and Mother Earth to recover.
To breathe. Yeah.
The people who are the original animals are on the road, and the social animals are inside. So this is why one week every year to keep us inside and to keep
not 1 week. I'll say 15 days. And I'll tell you what. I'm telling you very seriously. I'll tell you what. Pick up the summer vacations or pick up the winter vacations or Christmas time. Say 25th of December to the 5th of January. ये टाइम पकड़ लो, हर कोई घर में रहता है. 20 दिसंबर से पकड़ लो 5 जनवरी तक. Or you pick up the hottest, time, the summer solstice at that point in time, say from the 20th of June to the 10th of July, or whatever that period is, 25th of June to the 10th of July, or whatever time. I feel we need to do it as a country. We need to go into lockdown for 15 days every year. Just give nature some breathing space. Because you give nature 40 days, look what it's given you back. It's given you hail in Noida. It's given you breeze, early morning cool breeze on the 7th of May here in Noida. But I see, मैंने नहीं देखा यार लाइफ में इतनी साफ हवा. मुंबई को इतना साफ मैंने नहीं देखा. यार जहां मैं वर्ली में खड़ा था वहां से मुझे उधर तक अंधेरी ओशीवाड़ा लोखंडवाला तक दिख गया. कभी मैंने लाइफ में नहीं देखा इतना. यार प्रभा देवी नहीं दिखता था, उधर तक दिख गया. यार क्या बात करता है. Seriously.
That is what I'm saying. And there is no planet B. There is only one planet, Baba. So
Correct,
that is what.
correct.
That's what I'm telling all these young people. No, and
True.
honestly, the idea to unite India, the idea to unite the
True.
world using India as the medium, I think that is something that you are doing, and therefore, even if you don't want us,
No, I
we
want
will
you guys
keep
there.
telling- We will
I'm
keep
just
telling
saying,
you.
what I'm telling you, Rishabh, is even if you guys don't want me, I'm going to keep chasing you guys. That's how it is going to be. Understand? Cool.
No, no,
Lovely. Okay, guys.
Thank you so much,
Bye.
Anand. You've been.
Thank you so much.
been a
Love you all.
wonderful
Thank you so much to all those people who've been participating. I've been seeing all your comments. It's just that I didn't want to keep speaking over Rishabh. That's why I've not acknowledged all of you. But I acknowledge all of you with heartfelt gratitude and love to all of you. Wish you so much of success and so much of joy going forward. Fantastic. Sorry, mate. I've got to rush. It's 7:35 already.
Tonight, 8:30 p.m. with this guy.
8:30 is the thing. My show is from 8 o'clock onwards. So join me from 8. 8 we do the debates. 8 we do the show, and then towards 8:35, 8:40 we get into the music part, the lighter part of it all, to end with a smile. That's what we do. We got Anu Malik and his daughter Anmol. So it's the father-daughter combined joining us tonight. But we got other developments which are happening in Mumbai right now to talk about at the top of 8 p.m. Chalo. So we mix business and some pleasure together. Chalo. See you guys.
Don't forget,
Lovely.
Anand,
Thank
don't
you.
forget
Thank
the
you.
10%. Don't forget the 10%. Bye. Bye.
जिस दिन मुझे मिलेगा तुम्हें मिलेगा जब मुझे मिलेगा तब तुम्हें मिलेगा चलो see you bye
Bye. Thank you.
bye see you